Ever wonder what it takes for a giant metal bird to fly? Let's dive into some amazing airplane facts. Did you know the Wright brothers' first flight in 1903 was shorter than the wingspan of a modern Boeing 747? Speaking of which, a 747 has over 150 miles of wiring inside it. That's like driving from Los Angeles to San Diego. And then there's the fastest jet ever, the SR-71 Blackbird. It could fly from New York to London in under 2 hours, faster than a speeding bullet. From tiny single-seaters to massive cargo planes that can carry tanks, the world of aviation is full of incredible engineering. Which airplane fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome facts.